Thank you to my channel members. Channel members who have YouTube channels, please check them out. Thank you to all my subscribers.
Lightning Cash, high stakes. Yeah, I don't normally play this because I'm not that lucky on it usually. Though I have had a couple hand pays here at Peppermill on it. Let's try to get one today. We're gonna do quarters for $12.50. Come on, be lucky quarters. Lucky quarter denomination. Come on, 6 poker chips. Darn it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, lovely. And we got a couple good chips in there too, because these are quarters. Maybe it wants to drop a minor or a mini. Oh, come on, drop anything anywhere. Oh, thank you. I was getting nervous there. I wasn't going to drop anything. Woo! 250 on that one. I love it. Yay! Don't stop on me. Come on. High stakes. That's okay. Beautiful bonus. Thank you. Lovely. You know how much I like 1 in 1,000. Oh yes. As Josh would say from Slaughterholic, let us collect our coins. Lots of coins to collect. All right, thank you. That was beautiful. Okay, one last spin. Because I think I'll take my money and I will run away. Yes, I am cashing out. 200 in, 1,176 out. Thank you.
Actually, it was 300 in.
Cheers, everyone. Have fun. Good luck. Back at Fortune Foo, which has been my ATM in the past here at Atlantis, and I'm losing on everything today, so I'm sort of hoping to break that streak on Fortune Foo. Hope it doesn't continue. 6 bags, real quick. I'm counting on you.
It took a few minutes for Fortune Foo to get going. Let's jump ahead and go into our first feature.
Come on, more bags. Thank you. Whew. We have a $75 bag in there. Yeah, more lucky bags, like $75 bags. Keep the bags coming, lucky bags. I need a bag. Thank you. I'm going to open up that third one over there. Don't do this. Let's open up the third. Come on. Thank you. One more. One more to open up the third. Whew. The third's already pretty full. Be fun to get the fourth one open. It's got a $25 one up there. A couple of them. Come on, there's lots of empty spaces. Well, thank goodness we got our bonus. Thank you. That was great. So I put 300 in. We're briefly ahead. We're going to go try pennies. From dollars to pennies. Max bet at 5. Come on, fortune food. Gongs and bags. I'm not feeling pennies. Let's go for it. Let's go on the $10 bet. Be lucky $10 bet on $2 denomination. Come on, fortune food, be my bestie. Drop 6 bags. Come on, gongs. That major jackpot's really up there. How about dropping that randomly? Ooh, thank you. How about dropping the lucky bag major? Uh-oh. Are you going to drop a bag over here? Oh my gosh. That was terrible. Shame on you. Just when you think you're lucky, right? Okay, we're going to go try... What are we going to try? 2 cents. We haven't tried 2 cents. Maybe we can get lucky on 2 cents. We'll do the $5 bet on 2 cents. You can actually do the $10 bet. Come on, 2 cents denomination, be lucky. 6 gold bags. Gong, skong. Where are 6 lucky bags? Oh, come on, 6. 6 bags. Fortune Fu might have been saying, leave me, after that $2 denomination bonus where he would not give me a 7th bag. I was sort of hoping he'd make it up to me with 6 gold bags. You're really teasing me there, darn you. Okay, thank you. That's better. Well, if I thought I could get the $4 in 3 games, I would take that, but I think we better try the 6 for 5. Short one, darn it. I should have picked the 3 for 4. But when I have picked that, it hasn't worked out, so go figure. Come on, one more bag. Thank you, we got it. Phew, it came through for me.
Lucky bags!
Yes, don't do what you did last time. Drop those bags, that's good. There's so many empty spaces there. Drop something. There we go. We opened up the 3rd. Do you think this is the time we can open up the 4th? It's got a mini up there for $20. Don't end it. Come on. Well, at least we got it on the 2 cents denomination. We have 2 more spins left in our bonus. It could happen again. I had one bonus where it happened 3 times. That was fabulous. I'll link it to this one. Thank you. Much better. And the bonus isn't over with. Well, maybe it is. Okay, nice. Well, I'm briefly ahead. I put 300 in. We're going to go back to Dimes. Maybe Dimes is ready to do something. Yes, because I like to get a bonus on every denomination. And we'll stay with the $5 bet. Okay, nice. You're probably wanting to see me do the 3, right? I've just been burned on that before. I'm not feeling good about that. So we wouldn't have gotten it in the 3. Come on, 2 more, 2 more. And it doesn't look like we're getting it in the 6. One more. Come on. Oh, yes, we got it. Whew, just in time. Thank you.
Lucky bags!
I hope so. Lots and lots of lucky bags. Oh, don't do what $2 denomination did. Thank you. I really want to open up the third. There's a mini for 100 up there. Come on, open up that third. Thank you. We got our mini for 100. Yes. It might be done. Well, at least it gave me the mini. I'm still hoping for that major to drop randomly. I need to get back my losses from today. Thank you, Fortune Foo. Sure, let's catch up. Catch those coins. All right, nice. So 300 in, doubled my money, and we're going to try 5 cents now. So at the 5 cents, since we're ahead, we're going to do the 6.25 and hope the bonus comes quick. I might have to switch down though. We'll see. Come on, Fortune Foo. I'm still looking for the fortune. One more. Yes! Wow. Well, 5 has been lucky for me. Let's stick with the 5 or more bags and 6 free games. I hope you're going to continue to give me bonuses. Come on, 5 bags, 5 bags. Retrigger. Five bags, please. One more, please. One more. Oh no. There's the bag I needed. Well, that time it let me down. Well, what do we have left? Pennies. We've had a bonus or a feature on every game but pennies, right? Okay, pennies. Next bet, $5. Oh, darn. I'd love 6 gold bags to finish up with. Come on, pennies. I don't want to lose too much money trying to get your bonus. Don't be the only denomination. It doesn't give me one. Wow, wish I had 3 more. 3 more. Darn it. Pennies, why don't you just drop that major jackpot? Pennies, I need you to do it before 500. Come on. Minor would have been nice. Okay, pennies did it. We have had a bonus or feature on every denomination. Haven't won tons, but hey, it's been fun. We'll stick with 6. Maybe it'll happen. Come on, Fortune Foo. got that.
Lucky bag.
Good. It's good to end the video on a bonus. Thank you. There's a mini on the fourth one, but the mini's only worth $10, so. Oh wow, come on, we do want to open up the third. Come on. Aw, darn it. Well, we have a few spins left. I guess we could get it again. Okay, thank you. Come on, more bags. 6, 5 or 6. Oh, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Do it, do it, do it. Oh, shoot. What a naughty tease you were. All right, I'm a winner. Fortune Food didn't let me down. I more than doubled my money. 300 in. We're cashing out with $643.78. I am going to do one last spin, but we're going to go to dollars and do the last spin on it. Okay, that's it. Cheers, good luck, have fun. Major, I'm looking at you.